Welcome, fam. You didn't wake up in pain today, but something still feels off. Your body's stiff, your mind foggy, and it's like your breath is stuck shallow in your chest. Let's reconnect your breath, your spine, and your hips. Let's hit the mat. Let's ground your breath and center your body. We begin low, not because we're weak, but because this is where clarity starts. Knees wide, big toes together. Sink your hips back onto your heels. Reach your arms long, forehead to mat. Let your body surrender. You're going to feel gentle opening through the hips and lower back. Your breath pressing against your thighs. Deep, slow, and safe. This pose resets your nervous system. It anchors your breath and settles scattered energy before your day even begins. That steady breath, you carry it into your spine next. Exhale for 5 full seconds. Let the tension drain. Can you feel your ribs expanding? That's your breath showing up. That just grounded your nervous system, and now let's bring movement to your spine. If your back feels tight, sluggish, or disconnected, this is how we bring it back online. Calm tall forwards. Inhale, arch the back, lift the chest and tailbone, cow. Exhale, round the spine, tuck chin and tailbone, cat. Flow slowly, sinking movement to breath. You're going to feel a wave-like motion up and down your spine, tension releasing between your shoulder blades. This increases circulation around the spinal cord and boosts alertness. Think of it as lubricating your body's control center. This simple move enhances focus by stimulating the brain's wake-up zone. Go slower, 1 breath per movement, 5 more seconds. Are you leading with breath or rushing ahead? That just activated your spine. Now let's create space through your sides. This stretch releases a kind of tightness you didn't even know was there. From a kneeling position, step your right foot out to the side, reach your right arm up toward the sky, leaning toward the left. Exhale, feel the stretch from the hips to ribs. Swing your arm gently for 30 seconds and switch sides. You're going to feel a deep release through the side body, obliques, and intercostals. Hips anchored, chests lifted. Tight side bodies can restrict your breath, twist your posture, and leave you feeling stiff. This frees you on both sides. We're heading into the hips next, and they'll move better because of this. Hold the deepest part of the stretch, breathe into your ribs. Are you collapsing or staying long and lifted? That just released your sides. Now let's unlock your hips. Most of us only stretch hips forward or outward, but this move gets what you've been missing. Sit with knees bent, feet flat, hands behind you. Drop your right knee inward towards your left foot, then come back to center and switch sides. Move slowly, no rushing. You're going to feel a stretch inside the hip joint, not the usual outer range, and a gentle pull deep in the capsule. This movement trains the stability muscles that protect your knees, ankles, and lower back. It's the unsung hero of hip health. Strong internal rotation reduces back pain and improves stride symmetry. Can you keep your glutes anchored while moving? Hold it 5 more seconds. Do both hips rotate the same, or is one fighting? That's just released your hip rotators. Now let's lengthen the whole chain. We end standing because that's where life happens. This is your closing challenge. Stand tall, feet hip width apart. Hinge at the hips and fold forward. Bend one knee at a time, sweeping across your toes. Let your neck and shoulders relax. You can feel a stretch from your calves and hamstrings through your spine. Subtle movement in the ankles and hips. This connects everything we've opened, resetting your full back line and calming your system before you step into your day. Your posture will thank you for this later when you're sitting or walking tall. Let your head drop and sweep slower. A last 5 seconds. Are you holding tension in your back or letting it melt down your legs? That just seals your reset from breath to back, hips to heels. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy. Even when you sleep 8 hours, when you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a hunter plan, you need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.